Friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jas Nicole and I'm here with another Vlogmas video. So in today's video, I am showing you all a quick and easy hairstyle routine for the winter season / holiday season. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the push notification button so you can see when I upload some more videos. So here I am starting off on blow dried hair. I decided to use heat for this style, but you don't need to use heat if you don't want to. But my hair has grown a lot, so now I am using my wide tooth comb just to take out any tangles that have kind of come about since I put my hair in those pigtails. Now that my hair is all detangled, I am ready to go ahead and make my parts for this hairstyle. I use my fine tooth comb to be able to get a precise part. That's something special, something we got that good connection. Once I have parted my hair, I like to section it off using a butterfly clip so that way I can keep the rest of my hair out of the way as I get ready to style my hair. For this style, I'm using the TGIN Miracle Repair X Curl Food Daily Moisturizer, and this is my first time using this product, but I've heard such good things about it. So I take a good size amount and I just essentially rub it through my section of hair and make sure all my strands are coated with the moisturizer just to make sure my hair stays moisturized. And then I use my fine tooth comb again to go ahead and split that section into another section so that way I can get some pretty, defined twists depending on how tight I make them. Then I use my Denman brush to make sure my hair is completely tangle free, and then I go ahead and start to twist. Some of the benefits of the Curl Food Daily Moisturizer is that it restores nutrients in hair, hydrates dry, damaged, and color treated hair, and reduces frizz and flyaways. After twisting my hair, I use a perm rod to secure the ends of my twist just to make sure, one, it doesn't unravel, and two, to give it a little bit of a curl at the end. And now I repeat the same steps. I use my Denman brush to get rid of any tangles, and then I go ahead and twist my hair, and then I secure it at the end with a perm rod. We'll love everything we got. We got that something special, something never got. We got that good connection. We'll love everything we got. As I was using this moisturizer, what I really loved about it is that it is very lightweight. Sometimes, daily moisturizers may be a little bit too heavy for the hair, but even though this moisturizer is in a cream format, it definitely felt very light on my hair, and I love that because my hair always gets bogged down with products, so this is perfect to make sure my hair isn't going to be, full of so much product. my hair is complete with all of the twists and perm rods, I was able to get about 10 twists in my hair. And now I am using my big bonnet to go ahead and secure my hair to make sure that it stays neat while I, wait for my twist to set. Because I blew dry my hair, I didn't need to sit under a dryer, but I did want to keep it in so I can try to get as much definition as possible. But I'm not sure what these twists are going to look like because they are pretty loose, so I might end up with some loose curls, so we shall see. Alrighty friends, so I am back and it is time to take these twists down. I'm a little nervous because this is my first time doing a twist out or blown out hair. I think this is my first time. It is my first time. I've done a braid out on my blown dry hair, but never a twist out. So we're gonna see what this looks like. So I'm using the TGIN Miracle Repair X Anti-Breakage Serum with black castor oil and biotin to take down my twists. Alrighty, so taking off the bonnet. Oof. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take out these perm rods and then I'm gonna put the oil on my hands as I get ready to take down these twists. Feel me up and love me every day. Love me, love me, love me. Love me, love me, love me. Alrighty, so I got all of the perm rods out. So now I'm going to take like a very, very small amount of this oil because I don't want it to weigh down my hair. So I'm just going to put a tiny little amount, rub my fingers, and then I'm going to take these twists out. Okay, got a little curl action going on, alright. Put them in your eyes, looking at me like summer skies. Losing myself deep in your style when I look in your eyes. When did you steal the moon? When did you steal the sky? Promise me you'll love me every day. Feel me up and love me every day. So this is my hair with the twist taken down. So what I'm gonna do is kind of like separate and finger coil just to get, a little oomph. But I feel like what I'm gonna get from this twist out is more loose curls than like tighter curls, as if my hair were wet and then I did dry it. So I'm gonna do that and then I'm gonna fluff it out and I'm gonna come back with the final look. So this is the final look. So I feel like this is giving very much like loose curls, which it actually kind of is cute. It's probably not gonna last as long as like my regular twist outs do, but it's totally okay. I'll probably end up refreshing my curls probably in the next couple of days, but I am gonna get my wear out of this. I do love how it turned out. I love that there's not too much definition, but you can still definitely see some curls. I'm wondering if I had used more of the curl food, if that would have made a difference into how defined my twist would have been. I also think if I had done tighter twists, I probably would have gotten tighter curls, but honestly, this look still works for me. I would give the TGIN Miracle Repair X Curl Food Daily Moisturizer a 9.5 out of 10. I really like how lightweight my hair feels. It doesn't feel weighed down by any product. And so I guess the reason I gave it a 9.5 is we'll see how my hair holds up the next couple of days, but I absolutely love how this twist out came out. So that is all that I have for you all with this one product twist out. Let me know down in the comments what you all think of this style. I think it is so cute. I'm in love. Like, I was not expecting it to come out like this, but it works. Thank you all for watching this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below. And make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you can see some more of my Vlogmas videos. Thanks again for watching. Until next time, bye.